Hi everyone, I wanted to give you another gameplay opportunity with Kahoot. Again, I'm obviously in to play the game, but you guys can pause the recording, answer the question, and then come back to see the answer. So this one is, these first 10 questions are all going to be about the urinary system, so that is chapter 11. So here we go, let's play. First question out of the gate here. Which of the following parts is not found in the urinary system? 30 seconds to answer. The correct answer here is going to be green, which is rectum. That is not part of the urinary system. It is part of the gastrointestinal or digestive system. Number 2. Urine is stored here until you're ready to pee. Where is here? Right here in this case is going to be the bladder. That's that hollow organ that holds the urine that is newly created until we feel that urge to go to the bathroom and void, which is another word for urinate or pee. Number 3. The main function of the urinary system is to do what? What is the main function of the urinary system? The main function of your urinary system is to get rid of waste and extra fluid. Get rid of waste and extra fluid. Right, number 4. What very important job do the kidneys have? What very important job do the kidneys have? That very important job that they have is to filter waste out of the blood. While yes, they do help to make urine, that most important job that they have is to filter our blood. Number 5, urine is carried from the kidneys to the bladder by 2 thin tubes called what? Urine is carried from the bladder to the kidneys by 2 thin tubes called what? Those tubes are called ureters. Ureters, and they are about 8 to 12 inches in length for both male and female patients. Number 6, the blank is a muscle that stops urine from exiting the bladder when you're ready to pee. Until you're ready to pee. What is that muscle called? That muscle is called a sphincter. It's the muscle that stops urine from just falling out of us. We actually have to sort of push on it to release our bladders. Number 7. Urine exits the bladder and the body through a tube called the what? Urine exits the body and the bladder through a tube called what? All right, that tube is called a urethra. Do not confuse that with the ureter. The ureter is what comes from the kidney to the bladder and delivers urine from the kidney to the bladder. But if we're talking about what is making the urine leave the bladder and leave the body, that is the urethra. All right, number 8. If your pee is light yellow or pale yellow, it means what? If your pee is light or pale yellow, what does it mean? What that means is that you are, in fact, very hydrated. It means that you drink enough water, that your body is filtering all of that out. If you drink more caffeine, coffee, soda, juices, things like that, your urine would actually be darker in color. Number 9. Urine is made of what? Urine is made of what? Urine is, in fact, made of water and waste products. Because, again, our body is taking waste products from our blood and it's going to excrete them out. It does that through urine. And, all right, number 10, last question for the urinary system. Why is it important to pee when you have to pee? Why is it important to avoid or go to the bathroom when you actually feel like you have to? Correct answer is all of the above, right? It's going to remove any toxins from your body. If you hold urine in your body for too long, it actually can harbor bacteria and other toxins, which then go back into your bloodstream. It will keep your bladder and your kidneys healthy, keep that elasticity of those two items. It will make it so you don't pee your pants, because that's a big thing. And then, so all of the above. All right, I'm going to pause the recording and get our next chapter out, which is chapter 12, the female reproductive section. So hold tight. I'm going to bring that one. All right, guys. I actually pulled up a different Kahoot. This one is going to be the reproductive system as a whole, so both male and female. Again, 10 questions all about that. So let's get started. All right. First question here for you. What is the word part for penis? What is the word part for penis? The correct answer here is going to be our blue diamond, and that is valley. Valley is referring to penis. Ukor is referring to the ovaries. Testo is testes, and then orco is not related to the reproductive systems. All right. Number 2. Which of the following word parts means testicle? The answer here is going to be our green square. square, or kiddo. Kiddo is referring to the testicles. Right. Number 3. Hoof row means what? Hoof row means what? And again, that's going to be our green square of ovaries. I gave that answer away in the first question, so hopefully you were paying attention. Number 4. Metro means what? Metro means what? Once again, that is going to be our green square. Metro means uterus. So it helps us to also refer back to for example, like the menstrual cycle, that is shedding of that uterine lining. So that's where that comes in. Right, number 5 is a true-false. Colpo means vagina. Is that true or false? Colpo means vagina. This, it is true. Colpo does mean vagina. Number 6 is also a true-false. The fallopian tube is physically connected to the ovary. The fallopian tube is physically connected to the ovary. True or false? Hopefully you got this right. It is false. They're not physically connected to one another. Essentially, the fallopian tube is kind of floating below that ovary. Number 7 is also a true-false. So number 7, new sperm is created inside the epididymis. New sperm is created inside of the epididymis. Right? It is false. It is not where sperm is created. Number 8. Where does fertilization usually occur? Where does fertilization usually occur? That fertilization typically will take place in the fallopian tube, to which then, once it is a fertilized egg, it will drop through into the cervix. Right, number 9. Which of the following female structures is similar to a penis? Which of the following female structures is similar to a penis? The correct answer here is going to be our yellow circle, and that is the clitoris. All right, and our final question for this reproductive system, number 10, which of the following is not found in ejaculate? Which of the following is not found in ejaculate? Right, the correct answer here again is our yellow circle, and that is blood. If there is blood in there, that is a bad sign, so we want to make sure that if patients have blood in their ejaculations, that they reach out to their primary care providers right away. All right, hopefully you found this gameplay helpful, and it helps you with content for this week. Have a great week, everyone.